Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Counsel Link, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To connect with Counsel Link, start by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Counsel Link website. On the home page, locate the login section at the top right corner. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the corresponding box. Once you have filled in both fields, click on the Login button. If you are a new user, look for the Sign Up or Register option and click on it. Fill out the required information in the registration form. After completing the form, submit it to create your account. Once logged in, explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the layout. To connect with other users, click on the Connections tab in the main menu. Search for the user or firm you wish to connect with by typing their name in the search bar. When you find the desired contact, click on their profile. Hit the Connect button to send a connection request. Wait for the recipient to accept your request. Once accepted, you'll be able to interact with them through Counsel Link. For any further assistance, visit the help or support sections available on the site. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.